Bonnie and her babies. Here she's decorated her new home. Very good. She's chewed one toy up, but luckily she reserves that right for toys. And babies are precious to be cared for. Yes. Oh, happy little babies. Yeah. Bonnie, are you a mother most excellent? There, bring one back. Good girl. You're such a good mommy. I'm so proud of you. Look at them. They're just so sweet. Oh, hi. How are you, little brown nose? Yeah, just like mommy. How precious. You are such an excellent mom. Good girl, Bonnie. All right. You enjoy feeding your babies in peace. We'll leave now. Good, sweetheart.